what we've done is we've set up some spots and we've hidden shapes underneath these spots, and I'm going to set the task of Eliza to go and find them and bring them back to her castle. Okay, so the spots means they're lily pads. What's the game called again, Liz?
Princess and the Frogs.
Princess and the Frogs. Okay, all right, so Eliza, go back to your castle, which is the hoop. Okay, so I'm going to set her a task and she's going to run forward and she's going to find those shapes. Are you ready, Liz?
Yeah.
Okay, can you find a orange circle?
Yep.
Quickly, go, 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 go. You gotta be quick, gotta be quick.
Look under here.
Oh, nice one. First time. Off you go. Go back, go back, go back. Can you find a triangle?
Triangle. I remember where triangle is under here. Bing.
Okay, can you find a rectangle? So this is a great game if your children are learning their shapes, their colours, but it also gives them some exercise, some running back and forth. You can mix it up. So Eliza, this time I want you to crawl and find a diamond shape. Okay, so she's crawling, she's using different motor skills.
Diamond? Yes.
She's also thinking about where she's been or hasn't been. Okay, last one, Liz. Can you find a purple circle?
Purple circle. I love purple. No. Blue. Yellow. Nope. And
Okay, so you get the idea. All right, Liz, you're going to wave goodbye?
purple circle.
Purple
Bye.
circle, bye. Well done, guys.